We need some kind of coding environment. We need a way in which we can enter code so that the computer can actually follow the instructions from the code and then we can see the results from it. We'll see more on this later, but very simply, there are several ways that we might do this. We might use an editor, which allows us to type in code and save it in a file. Or we might have some kind of a window in which we can type in code one line at a time and see their results. And then some systems might have both options. There are also more sophisticated integrated development environments, or IDEs for short, that integrate the editor with other features. So once code is saved in a file, it needs to be translated from the language in which it's written into a special machine language that the computer can actually understand. So there are two ways that we can do this. We can have a compiler that translates the language into an executable file that the computer can then run or execute. So this means that there are actually two steps: compiling the code first and then executing it. Or we can have an interpreter. What an interpreter does is it goes through the code one line at a time, translating and executing as it goes.